Dear students, welcome back to my channel. This video for the students of class 2A and also for class 2B. This time we have come up with a new chapter, that is fourth number chapter, addition and subtraction of numbers up to 1000. You know, we already have done addition and subtraction for the 2-digit numbers, but in this video session or in this chapter we will do the same thing, that is addition and subtraction for 3-digit numbers. Clear? So in this video session today we will discuss at first we will introduce the addition again, then we will go to the new one, that is addition of 3-digit numbers with regrouping and without regrouping. So let's start with introduction. You know that addition means putting the numbers together, simply putting the numbers together. That means if you have 2 pens and 3 pencils, so how many pen and pencils you have? 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 means 5, right? So we have done the same things in the first unit test, that is in the second chapter, addition and subtraction for the numbers up to 100. Okay, now at first recall the second chapter. Here it is given some additions, right? You know the terms addends. This for the question A, 33 is addend, 1 is also addends, so they are basically addends, and after addition you will get the answer. So this answer will be the sum. Okay, so let us add these two numbers. You know you have to start from the ones place. That means you have to do addition for ones place at first. So 3 plus 1 is 4, and now here is nothing, so you can consider as a 0. That means you are adding 0 by 3. So you know when you are adding a number with 0 you will get the number itself. So 34 is the answer, that is the sum of this addition. Similarly 5 plus 8 is 13. So you have to write, you know you are adding ones place, that is 8 ones and 5 ones, and you are getting 13 ones. So 13 1 means 1 tens 3 ones, 1 tens 3 ones. That means here you have to put 3 and 1 should be carried over, and it will be carried over to the next tens place, and now you have to add 1 plus 1 and you will get 2, 23. We have done this before. Similarly 3 plus 5 or 5 plus 3 is 8, is also 8. You know 9 plus 4 or 4 plus 9, you can say 4 plus 9 is 13. So you have to put 3 here and carried over 1. Now add 3 plus 5 is 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9. So 93 is the sum. Similarly 4 plus 3 is 7 and it will be 5. For question F, 8 plus 7 is 15, carry over 1, so 2 plus 1 is 3. Similarly 6 plus 2 is 8 and 3 plus 2 is 5. So this is the example of addition without regrouping, and this is the example of the addition with regrouping. The 8th number question, this is the example of the addition with regrouping, because when you are adding the ones digit, that is the digit in the ones place, 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 ones, 14 1 means 14 ones. 14 ones means 1 tens and 4 ones. So you have to put 4 here, and this 1 tens will be carried over. That means this one will go to the next tens place. The next tens place is here. Now I'm putting here. Now add them. 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So 74 is the sum. Similarly, 7 plus 2 is 9 is 8. 6 plus 6 is 12. Carry over 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 6 plus 3 is 9. 2 plus 2 is 4. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry over 1. So 5 plus 2 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. Similarly, 2 plus 6 is 8 and it will be 48. 8 plus 9 is 17. So carry over 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. And O and P, please do it by yourself. Right? Now I'm going to the next portion. That is the addition of 3-digit numbers. We will do these questions in this chapter. Previously I said we have done addition for 2-digit numbers. Now in this chapter we will do the same operation, that is the addition and subtraction, but for not for 2-digit numbers, we will do for 3-digit numbers. But here we apply the same logic. Here is the new place already have came, that is the hundreds place, but we apply the same logic. In this case you have to start from the ones place. So now I am doing addition. 1 plus 8, 9. Then you have to go the next place. 6 plus 1 is 7. Now you have to go the next place, that is the hundreds place. So here is nothing, so you can consider as a 0. So now 0 plus 3 is 3. So the answer will be 379. The next example, this example, here it is given 419 and it is adding with 396. The same logic will apply. You have to start from the ones place. But here 9 plus 6, 9 plus 6, 9 ones plus 6 ones means 15 ones. 15 ones means you have to put 5 here, and 15 1 means 1 tens 5 ones. So I have written 5 in the ones place, and 1 tens it will be carried over. That means it will go to the next 10 place. Now you add 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. That is 11 tens. 11 tens means 100 1 tens. So you have to put here 1. And again there is another one, that is 100. This 100 will be carried over. So I have put this one in the hundreds place. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So this is the process to solve the addition for 3-digit numbers. Okay. Now I am solving these problems, which is in your page number 69. One already it is solved. Now I am starting from B. 4 plus 3 is 7. Then go to the next place. 5 plus 4 is 9. Then go to the next place. 7 plus 2 is 9. So sum will be 997. Now C number. 6 plus 1 or 1 plus 6, 7. 2 plus 0 is 2. 4 plus 5 is 9. D number. 3 plus 4, 7. 0 plus 1, 1. 4 plus 5, 9. So please try E number. by yourself. F number also, G number also, and H number also. You have to solve. And you have to write in your copy. You can also write in your book, but if you write in your copy, then it will be practiced. Okay. Now I'm solving I number. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. Is 5 because it is here 0. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 5 7. 4 plus 2 6. Please K number and L number. So this is your work. You have to do by yourself. Okay. Now previous examples were without regrouping. Now here we will do with regrouping. What we have done in the chapter 2 with regrouping, we will apply the same logic, right? So you have to start from the ones place. 8 plus 2 0. 8 plus 2 is 10, but you have to put here 0 and 1 should be carried over. Now add them. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 1 6. Now 6 plus 1 is 7. Similarly 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. That means 11 tens. 11 tens means you have to put 1 here and another 1 will be carried over, right? So 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 1 is 6. Now D number. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 tens, that means 105 tens, right? So 1 will be carried over. Now 2 plus 5 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. Similarly 9 plus 6 is 15, carried over 1. 0 plus 4 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5 and 5 plus 1 is 6. Then G, H, I, J, K, L. This is your work. You have to do by yourself. Okay. I am solving M number. So here M number, it is given 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 means because these digits are in the ones place, 7 plus 3 is 10, means 10 ones. So you have to put 0 here and 1 will be carried over. Now 3 plus 4 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay. Now N number. 6 plus 7 is 13. Again carry over 1. So 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. Now the left part is 3 plus 3 is 6. Similarly 5 plus 4 is 9. 6 plus 5 is 11. So put 1 here and 1 carry over. So 2 plus 4 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. Now P number. 2 plus 3 is 5. 9 plus 5 is 14 tens. That means you have to put here 4 and 1 will carry over. Now 3 plus 3 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. Similarly for Q, 7 plus 4, that means 11 ones. So put 1 here and 1 in the tens place. And 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 plus 6 is 8. And R number, 2 plus 5 is 7 and 8 plus 4 is 12. That means 12 tens. That means you have to put 2 here and 1 will carry over. 3 1. That means 3. So these are the sums with regrouping. And if you check that you are doing addition 3-digit number with 3-digit number and some of them 3-digit number with 2-digit number, but we are doing the same operation, that is addition. Here we have applied the same logic. Okay. Now the next part, here in this question we have to regroup 2 times, such as I'm taking question number B. 5 plus 6 is 11, so you have to put 1 here and 1 will be carried over. Now 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 1 is 16, so 16 tenths, that means again 1 will be carried over. Now again 2 plus 5 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. But previously we did only 1 times regrouping, right? But here we are regrouping 2 times. This is the basic difference. Otherwise we are doing same thing. C number 6 plus 9 is 15, that means you have to put 5 here and 1 will carry over. Now 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12, then again 1 will carry over. So 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. D number, E number, F number, you have to try. This is your home task. Now I am solving G number. 4 plus 7 is 11, 1 will carry over. 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 1 is 14, and again 1 will carry over, and 1 plus 3 is 4. 9 plus 2 is 11, carry over 1. Now 9 plus 2 is 11 again, and 11 plus 1 is 12, again carry over 1. 3 plus 3 is 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7. I number 4 plus 7 is 11, carry over 1. 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, carry over 1 again. So 2 plus 6 is 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. So this is all about for today. We will do the next one, that is addition of three digit numbers. Here in this video session we were doing addition of 3 digit numbers with 2 digit numbers, sometimes 3 digit number with 3 digit numbers, but 2 times. Here we have done only 2 times addition. 2 times means we are adding 2 3 digit numbers, sometimes 1 3 digit and 1 2 digit number. But after the video session, after this video session, we will do the addition of 3 3 digit numbers and with word problems. Okay, so thank you. Go through this video and keep learning.